the rebirth of a path. Ferrox is a return, not a project with a budget, but one built with heart. It's not about creating something new, but about preserving what's worth keeping. It's not just about fixing the iron, but about restoring the soul of the place. It's a tribute to those who once carved the way. And a legacy for those who will follow it. To bring back confidence to every step. Safety to every hole. And give old climbing lines a chance to live again.